Trauma can leave a lasting impact on the brain, especially in cases of post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. Let's explore what happens in the brain during and after a traumatic event. When a person experiences trauma, the amygdala, the brain's fear center, becomes hyperactive. This heightened activity triggers the fight or flight response, flooding the body with stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. This is the brain's way of preparing for danger. Next, the hippocampus, responsible for memory, plays a key role. In PTSD, the hippocampus often shrinks or becomes less effective. This can lead to fragmented or disorganized memories of the traumatic event, which is why flashbacks or intrusive thoughts are so common in PTSD. The prefrontal cortex, which controls rational thinking and emotional regulation, also gets disrupted. Normally, the prefrontal cortex helps calm the amygdala and assess situations logically, but after trauma, its function is often impaired, making it difficult to control fear responses or distinguish between real and perceived threats. Over time, this imbalance can lead to chronic hyperarousal, where the person feels constantly on edge, even when there's no immediate danger. The brain is essentially stuck in a heightened state of alert. In summary, PTSD disrupts three main areas: the amygdala increasing fear, the hippocampus distorting memory, and the prefrontal cortex impairing rational control. Therapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT), or eye movement desensitization and reprocessing (EMDR), aims to restore balance in these areas, helping the brain to process the trauma and regain control. Understanding the neuroscience behind PTSD is the first step toward healing the brain and reclaiming a sense of safety.